Hello guys, welcome back to another things. But for today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix TV stuck on Please Run Autoscan. So in this case, if you're having some problems here with your TV and it's stuck on Please Run Autoscan, well, there are a number of things here that you may want to do. So in this case, first things first is you may want to perform an auto channel scan. Now, in this case, you want to go to your TV settings and or setup menu here. Look for channel scan or auto tuning. Then they run and run the and basically just run the scan here. So this will allow the TV to detect all available channels. Now, in this case, typically speaking, this is the straightforward answer here. But if this doesn't work for you or you're having some issues running this one, there are a number of things that you may want to consider. So first is you want to make sure that your connections are secure here. So in this case, you want to make sure that your TV input or you have the correct TV input here. So in this case, for example, if you're using an antenna, it should be on TV or antenna input. Now, if you're using HDMI for a cable box or streaming device here, make sure it's set to that HDMI input. A simple input mismatch can often cause this issue. And also, if this does not work for you, you may want to disconnect all cables and just wait. So in this case, you may want to disconnect or unplug everything here, including the antenna and HDMI cables, and let your TV sit for about like 15 minutes. And this acts like a mini reset that may clear the error itself. Now, also, before retrying again and performing an auto channel rescan or scanning here, you may want to power cycle your TV as well. So unplug your TV from the wall outlet and wait for about 3 full minutes. After that, plug it back in and turn it on. And this power cycle helps reset the system that can fix temporary software glitches. Now, once you've basically run a power cycle here, disconnected and reconnected everything, you want to basically try running an auto channel scan again. Now, in this case, if this doesn't work for you, it might be a hardware or software issue with your TV, so it's best to contact support if the issue is still persisting. Now, if you tried everything and the message won't go away, it may be more technical issue here, so reaching out to support is your best bet here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.